You've seen it before, a closet packed with tops. Yet when it's time to get dressed, nothing feels right. You put one on, and suddenly you look older, heavier, and less polished than you know you are. Then you see another woman, same age as you, in a simple blouse, and she looks radiant, put together. Expensive. What's the difference? It's not luck, it's not money. It's avoiding those subtle mistakes that instantly cheapen your look after 60, and knowing the easy fixes that make you shine. And the very first mistake, it's one you can check in the mirror right now. Mistake number 1, tops that don't respect your shape. Too tight, and it looks like you're fighting with your clothes. Too loose, and it looks like your clothes are fighting with you. Both choices add years and take away elegance. The sweet spot? A top that skims, not squeezes, not drowns. Imagine slipping on a blouse that falls smoothly from your shoulder to your hip. No pulling, no gaping, no excess fabric. Suddenly, your outfit feels intentional, flattering, and modern. Here's a quick test. Stand sideways in front of a full-length mirror. Does the line from your shoulder to your waist flow naturally, or is it interrupted by bunching and bulging? When your top respects your shape, everything else, from trousers to accessories, instantly looks more expensive. Because here's the truth. This isn't about hiding flaws. It's about celebrating who you are, right now, with clothes that fit the woman you've become. Mistake number 2, fabrics that cheapen your look. Let's be honest, fabric tells on you before the cut, the color, or even the fit. You can spend $200 on a blouse, but if it's made of shiny polyester that clings in all the wrong places, it will always look discount. Synthetic fabrics that peel, wrinkle instantly, or create static, they make even the best outfit look careless. The secret? Natural fibers and quality blends. Cotton that holds its structure, silk that drapes like water, linen that breathes and softens with time, or ponte knits that glide smoothly across your silhouette. These fabrics carry weight, fall elegantly, and age gracefully, just like you. Here's a quick reality check. Take a blouse from your closet, hold it in your hand. Does the fabric feel substantial, or does it feel flimsy and thin? If it looks dull, overly shiny, or cheap under natural light, it's not serving you. Remember, Italian women have mastered this. They don't chase trends, they chase fabric. A crisp cotton shirt with perfectly pressed seams instantly looks like it cost 3 times the price. Because when the fabric moves with you, not against you, you radiate quiet luxury, no matter the budget. Mistake number 3, overly busy, flowery prints. Have you noticed how so many women over 60 reach for floral blouses covered in every color of the rainbow? It feels safe. It feels problem. Those busy, oversized prints drown out your elegance instead of highlighting it. When the blouse is louder than you, people notice the shirt first, not your style. The most sophisticated women know a secret. Less is more with prints. Subtle patterns, delicate florals on soft backgrounds, elegant stripes, or small-scale geometric designs. These whisper refinement instead of shouting for attention. Imagine this. 2 women walk into a cafe. One wears a blouse covered in giant roses and 10 different colors. The other, a simple cream blouse with a delicate navy print. Who looks polished? Who looks timeless? That's the difference pattern makes. Your blouse should complement you, not compete with you. Because when the print is too busy, it overwhelms. But when it's refined, it elevates. And suddenly, all anyone notices is your elegance. Mistake number 4. The wrong undergarments. Nobody wants to talk about this one, but it's the silent style killer. You can have the most beautiful silk blouse in the world, tailored trousers, elegant jewelry, but if your bra is digging in, creating lumps and bumps, or your seams are showing through, the entire look collapses. It's instant sabotage. The truth is, undergarments are the foundation of elegance. A well-fitted bra lifts your posture, smooths your lines, and makes even the simplest outfit look intentional. A poorly fitted one? It can age you by years. Here's what works. Get professionally fitted, at least once a year. Yes, Bodies change. Embrace it. Invest in seamless bras in nude shades that disappear under clothes, and choose styles that match your tops. A t-shirt bra for fitted blouses, a minimizer for bulkier sweaters, wider straps for comfort and support. Think of it this way. Would you build a beautiful home on a cracked foundation? Of course not. Your clothes deserve the same respect. When the base is smooth, everything you layer on top looks more expensive, more flattering, and more powerful. Mistake number 5. Ignoring your neckline. Here's where so many women go wrong, and it's subtle. That high crew neck or tight round collar you think is modest, it can actually be one of the most aging details on a blouse. The wrong neckline shortens your frame, hides your natural lines, and draws attention in all the wrong ways. The goal is simple. Create length and elegance around your face and neck. V-necks, soft scoop necks, open collars, they pull the eye upward, elongate your silhouette, and frame your features with sophistication. It's not about showing skin, it's about showing shape. Picture this. You put on a simple scoop neck blouse, add a delicate necklace that rests just below the collarbone, and slip on a blazer. Instantly, your face looks brighter, your posture taller, and your overall look more youthful. Necklines are like picture frames. You wouldn't put a masterpiece in the wrong frame, so don't frame your face with devil, one that takes away from your elegance. The right neckline is a free, instant facelift without ever stepping into a clinic. Mistake number 6. Wearing colors that wash you out. This one is sneaky because most of us don't even realize it's happening. The blouse you loved in your 30s? The jet black, the icy white, the dusty beige? Those same colors now might be draining the life from your face, making you look tired instead of radiant. Here's the truth. Our coloring changes as we age. Hair softens, skin tone shifts, and the shades that once lit us up may now dim our glow. But the right colors? They act like natural lighting. They brighten your complexion, make your eyes sparkle, and even smooth out fine lines. Try this simple test. Hold 2 tops under your chin in natural light. A harsh black blouse might cast shadows, making your skin look dull. Swap it for a cream or soft sage, and suddenly your face looks alive, rested, and refreshed. It's not about avoiding color, it's about choosing the ones that give you light. When you wear shades that flatter your present self, people don't just notice the blouse, they notice you. Vibrant, confident, and effortlessly youthful. Mistake number 7. Holding on to dated styles. This is the mistake that quietly steals a decade from your look. Maybe it's the shoulder-padded blazer from the 90s, or the ruffled blouse that once felt romantic but now just feels fussy, or that boxy shirt you've held onto because it was classic back then. The truth? If your clothes look like they're frozen in time, you risk looking frozen there too. Elegance isn't about age, it's about evolution. The most stylish women don't cling to what worked 20 years ago. They update, refine, and reinterpret. That crisp white shirt you loved in the 80s? Keep the idea but refresh it with a modern cut and streamlined proportions. Same quality, same timelessness, but now it looks current instead of stuck in the past. Here's the magic. People won't be able to put their finger on it. They'll just say, "Wow, she always looks so polished." That's the power of letting go of dated details and embracing updated classics. It's not about erasing the past. It's about proving you've grown more stylish with every season of your life. Mistake number 8. Neglecting the power of a perfect white shirt. Ask any elegant woman what never leaves her wardrobe, and she'll tell you, the white shirt. But here's where many go wrong. They settle for versions that are too sheer, too stiff, or cut in a way that does nothing for their shape. The result? A piece that feels basic, instead of becoming the secret weapon it truly is. The right white shirt is transformative. It can be worn with carefully, proper collar construction, buttons that look refined. Think mother of pearl, not cheap plastic. And fabric with enough weight to drape without transparency. Here's the beauty. Once you find your perfect white shirt, everything else in your wardrobe falls into place. Getting dressed becomes effortless because this one piece can elevate almost any outfit. It's not just a shirt. It's your style anchor, the foundation of an expensive-looking wardrobe on any budget. Mistake number 9. Not defining your waistline. Here's a styling secret elegant women never ignore. Your waistline. Too many women hide under loose, flowing tops, thinking it makes them look slimmer. In reality, it does the opposite. It erases your shape, makes you appear boxy, and adds unnecessary bulk. The fix is simple. Define your waist. A gentle tuck, a structured belt, or even just choosing blouses that taper slightly at the middle can transform your entire silhouette. Suddenly, you've got structure, balance, and that universally flattering hourglass shape. Picture this. You slip on a silk blouse, tuck it neatly into well-fitted trousers, add a sleek belt, and instantly you look intentional, polished, and put together. Compare that to leaving the same blouse untucked, hanging shapelessly. One says, effortless chic. The other says, I gave up. And here's the best part. This trick costs nothing. It's not about buying more clothes. It's about styling the ones you already own to celebrate the figure you have today. Because confidence isn't about hiding. It's about defining. Mistake number 10. Not dressing for your current proportions. This one changes everything, and it's the reason so many outfits feel off without you knowing why. Our bodies evolve. Shoulders may slope a little more, waists soften, height shifts, and curves redistribute. But too many women keep dressing the body they used to have instead of the one they have today. Here's the truth. Elegance means honoring your present proportions. That blouse that once skimmed your figure perfectly may now need tailoring. That cut that looked youthful at 40 might now fight against your shape at 60. When you choose tops that celebrate who you are right now, not who you were decades ago, your entire look transforms. The solution isn't complicated. Work with a good tailor. Or learn a few simple alterations. Swap buttons, adjust hemlines, take in a side seam. Tiny changes make an almost right blouse look like it was made for you. And nothing looks more expensive than clothing that fits like it was designed for your body. Because true style isn't about hiding or clinging to the past. It's about standing tall, confident, and authentic. And there you have it. The 10 topst mistakes that quietly age you, and the simple, elegant fixes that transform your look instantly. Notice, none of these require a designer budget. They require intention. Choosing fabrics that respect you, cuts that flatter you, colors that bring out your glow, details that show you've evolved with grace, not clung to the past. Because elegance isn't about price tags or trends. It's about how you present the woman you are today. When your tops are chosen with care, they stop being just clothes. They become your secret weapon, making you look confident, sophisticated, and timeless every single day. So now I want to hear from you. Which of these mistakes do you think has been sneaking into your closet, and which fix are you excited to try first? Drop your answer in the comments. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, it helps so much. And don't forget to subscribe for more style secrets designed for confident women like you. Hit that notification bell so you never miss the next tip. Because remember, style isn't an age, it's a mindset.